Welcome back to the regrow garden, and this week I wish I had a happy update for you, but instead it looks like we're doing a lot of add to the compost pile or add to the trash because these potatoes clearly did not work out. I don't really know what went wrong, but I don't have time for this anymore. We can always get new potatoes and start over, and truly I think that a better method would be putting them in my upside down, inside out plastic bottle routine that I've been doing for the pineapples and allowing them to grow in water, because that's really the tried and true method over whatever this paper towel mess ended up actually being. Maybe they were sprayed with growth hormones so they're not able to grow anyways, but they just ended up rotting in the bag. Thankfully, in the bag. So after inspecting all of the bags as closely as I think I wanted to, due to the horrific stench that they had going on, we're going to have a little Aaliyah moment here where we dust ourselves off and try again. And this is going right in the garbage, never to be heard or seen from again. I'm really glad I put these in bags because the stench was awful. I just never want to experience that again. So even though that didn't work out, it realistically is probably a sign from wherever that I really don't need to be trying to propagate potatoes, because I truly don't have the space to actually grow potatoes if they were to actually become crops. But I do happen to have a passion for avocados and avocado seeds, so I'm going to go ahead and start a whole bunch of these this week, as we just finished up with making some guacamole. So I have some seeds that need to be sprouted, and I do typically have great success with these in this same method of putting them in a cup or a little container with water, and then eventually they will grow. I also am going to add in a cup of date seeds that I'm trying to soften up and see if those nuts will crack, and 2 mango seeds that I'm not really sure are going to grow because the mangoes were kind of past their peak perfection, but let's hope that we have better luck next week.